Turn your Windows 11 taskbar into a sleek floating dock with a clean and modern feel. In this video, I'll show you simple tweaks to refine the layout, improve spacing, and create a smooth polished look that upgrades your entire desktop experience. First, open Taskbar settings and disable the following options. Now, download and install Windhawk. Now, go to the following link and copy the contents of assembledmod.cpp to your clipboard. Open Windhawk settings and click on Create a new mod. Press Ctrl-A to select all, then Ctrl-V to paste the code. Click the Compile Mod button to begin the installation. Wait until the process finishes. If you want to personalize the dock to match Windows 11, change the following values. Click Save Settings to apply the changes. Finally, to fill the gaps on the left and right sides of the dock when a window is maximized, install the Taskbar Background Helper mod. From the Settings tab, apply any background style. You can change the background color from Windows settings. That's it. I hope you found it easy. If you did, drop a like and don't forget to comment down below. It really helps. See you in the next one.